Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to TWT video update. Now Trust Wallet is looking pretty amazing at the moment because first of all I want to dive into the 4-hour time frame and talk about the 4-hour time frame. In the next 48 minutes from the time that I'm talking, because this is the 4-hour time frame, we're about to close this candlestick right over there, and that's actually quite positive because you can see it's breaking out of this touch here, second touch right there, and very clear move to the upside, break out there, make one bullish closing like this, and back test 2.4227, and probably could put a stop loss at 2.38, but you have to wait for the retest. You never know if you go down for the retest and then boom, crash to the downside. And then from here it's actually pretty much showing that it's interested to back test 2.42, and then probably from there start to shoot up again. Let's look at the 1-hour time frame and how the 1-hour time frame looks like. Yeah, so you can see that those are pretty much some bullish candle closing, showing interest to maybe continue even higher. But I actually noticed on the daily we have some sort of a flag going on here, so let's talk about that one right there. And it seems like you've made this mini flag to go to $3, so you can see that's a daily flag right there, and a push to the upside right over here, and maybe a stop loss at 2.38 will be a good idea on the daily time frame. But that's a lot of loss, like nearly better stop loss is down there, but you can see it's nearly 4%, and I don't like to risk 4%, but it still seems like an amazing trade to me because went up like this, make a little bit of a flag here, and you're good to go. So basically the next technical target we're talking about TWT is to move from the top here to the bottom right there, and probably move up to $3. Yeah, so that's actually going to be a price move of nearly 21% move to the upside, and that's pretty much it for this update on TWT. I'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.